The correlation between economic freedom and economic prosperity.
Introduction. Economic development in the world aims to fulfill the needs of the entire population, starting from primary and secondary needs. Economic freedom is a measure of Economic Freedom Index designed by the Heritage Foundation and the Wall Street Journal in 1995. Economic prosperity can also be measured through GDP per capita, where all the value of goods and services produced in 1 year by a country divided by the number of residents of that country. In this research, we use Economic Freedom Index and GDP per capita. We will test whether economic freedom will affect the economic prosperity of a country or not.
We use the ordinary least square OLS method to regress the 5 variables that we will use. For dependent variable, we use economic prosperity with GDP per capita as the indicator. We get the data from World Bank. Next, for the interest variable, we use economic freedom with Economic Freedom Index as the indicator and the data from the Heritage Foundation. To increase the accuracy, we use 4 control variables. We use democracy as the first control variable by using Democracy Index. Next, for the second control variable, we use government expenditure on education. And then we use innovation as the third control variable by using Global Innovation Index. The last control variable is corruption with Global Corruption Index as the indicator.
Here are some of the journals that we use to support our research. The first literature shows that economic freedom has a positive and significant relation with growth and income levels. The second literature shows that democracy also has positive and significant correlation with economic prosperity. The third literature shows that economic expenditure on education and economic prosperity has a positive correlation. The fourth literature shows that the innovation has a directly significant relationship to economic prosperity. And the last literature shows that corruption has a negative significant impact on the level of economic prosperity.
Now we're going to explain the result of our research. In this study, we used 12 regression models to examine the relationship between economic freedom and economic prosperity. Here are the 12 regression models.
Based on the scatter and regression line graphs, economic freedom variable and economic prosperity has a significant positive relationship. It means if economic freedom increases, it will increase the economic prosperity of a country. This is related to research conducted by Faria and Montesinos that the economic freedom of the world has a significant positive impact and relationship related to income and growth levels.
Democracy and economic prosperity has a significant positive relationship to the second model. This means an increase in democracy will increase the economic prosperity of a country. This is related to research by Gilvasan that democracy, GDP per capita, life expectancy, and income equality have a positive and significant correlation between one another. However, there's an insignificant relationship in Model 7 and 8 because democracy is not as well correlated as other indicators.
Government expenditure on education on economic prosperity has a significant positive relationship. It means an increase in government expenditure on education will increase the economic prosperity of a country ceteris paribus. This is related with research by Zita Chikaobi and Cyril Guguobi, where expenditure on education has a significant positive relationship.
Innovation control variable on economic prosperity has a significant positive relationship in the third model. It means that the increase in innovation will increase the economic prosperity ceteris paribus. This is related with research by Goran, but it is not significant in Model 7, 9, and 12 because innovation is not as well correlated as other indicators on the economic prosperity variable.
The corruption control variable has a significant negative relationship to economic prosperity. It means that an increase in corruption will reduce the economic prosperity of a country ceteris paribus. This is in accordance with previous research conducted by Benzen, where corruption has a negative and significant impact on the level of economic productivity, which will affect the country's economic development.
The last regression model succeeds in explaining the relationship to economic prosperity by 96.39%. However, partially, there are two indicators that have a significant effect on economic prosperity, namely innovation and corruption. This is because the two indicators are not able to correlate as well with other indicators in the regression model.
Overall, from the regression results that have been carried out, it can be concluded that economic freedom has an influence on economic prosperity. This can be seen from the stability of the relationship between economic freedom and economic prosperity in all regression models. In the economy of a country, this can be caused by the influence of economic freedom, one of which is the freedom given by the government in the form of reduced control, trade liberalization, and provision of various regulation and laws that are conducive, as well as protection of private property rights, investment, and trade growth. Encouraging community economic activity will increase per capita income, which is an indicator of economic prosperity.
Thank you.